Good morning students, this will be our first video what I'll be sending to you. Okay, this is your Sangam Jadhav, financial accounting teacher. Okay, the first unit what we are going for it will be conversion of single entry system into double entry system. Conversion in the sense what? We are going to convert whatever we write it, we are going to convert into double entry system. Now we will understand what is single entry system. Single entry system is called as what? Unsystematic, in the sense what? You just go on recording it, you won't go for a double effect. What is double effect of it? That is double entry system. For every debit there should be alternative what na credit. For every debit there should be what? Alternative credit. That will be what? Double entry system. But what is single entry system? Single entry system is you are just recording it. It might be either debit or it might be either credit. You are not recording a contra for that. Okay, so it will be called as single entry system. So whatever is in single entry system, you are converting it into double entry system. Suppose there is a vendor, okay, a small shopkeeper, okay, he goes on keeps his accounts in a unsystematic manner. Yes, he bought so and so pan, okay, he is not recording for the double effect. Okay, so that is what? For every debit there should be alternative credit, then and there only it will be becoming a complete record. But in single entry system, either it will be a debit or either it will be a credit. So we will go a meaning of single entry system. So single entry system is what? Single entry system is what? Okay, it is incomplete, inaccurate, unscientific and unsystematic style of account keeping. Okay, so it is all incomplete, inaccurate, it is unscientific also. So that it becomes a meaning of what now? Single entry system. So in other words, maintaining the accounts in manner convenient to a particular trader. However a trader wants, however that pan fellow wants, he will go on keeping it. So that is what? However the trader wants, he will be going on keeping it. So that is what? A single entry system, where the principles of double entry is not applied for all the transactions. Okay, for not applied for all of the transactions. For some transaction he might apply, but not for all the transactions. So that is the meaning of what na? Single entry system. One of the person, that is definition of single entry system given by Kohler. So a single entry system is a system of bookkeeping in which rules of only records of cash and personal accounts are maintained. Whatever is in cash transaction, he will maintain only that. Okay, and if there is any personal accounts, he will maintain that. It is always incomplete double entry varying with circumstances. According to the circumstances, according to the firm, it will go on changing. So that is the meaning of what na? Single entry system. What are the methods of single entry system? Where only the first one is what? Pure single entry system, where only personal ledger is maintained, is called as what na? Pure single entry system. Okay, personal in the sense debtors and creditors. The next one is what? Simple single entry system. In simple single entry system, where the subsidiary books are maintained, namely which all subsidiary books? Cash book along with what na? Personal ledger is maintained. So that is what? Simple single entry system. What is quasi single entry system? Okay, it is considering with all the subsidiary books with ledger. That is what now called as quasi single entry system. Subsidiary books is with cash book as well as with personal ledger, and their ledgers will be maintained. Okay, subsidiary books are purchase return book, sales return book, bills book, payable book, bills receivable book. These are types of what now, or methods of single entry system. This will be for 2 marks. Even definition might come for 2 marks, or even a meaning might come for 2 marks. Thank you. We will go with the next video with regards to your features and merits of single entry system, as well as demerits and some kind of differences between single and double entry system. Thank you.